yeah. Woman, stop touch me.
Hey there. Hey guys. I'm back. I hate to say that because I'm always back. Welcome back to my channel. No listen, no. I'm back. For real, I'm back. I'm gonna make a video on that, so I don't want to talk about it. I'm just gonna hurry up to my intro. Because today I'm going to do a little pranky on Jason. Yeah, I'm gonna prank Jason. Like when I did gone, everybody, Iandra prank Jason now. I'm going to see you in the react. So, see Moon? I'm Moon, her son. I'm Moon, see Sunday. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for the support. Yesterday I went live. I never expect 40%. I never yet go live on that channel. Never ever. But I saw 40% on live. And them stay with me and talk to me and all of that. I'm really appreciate it. If you're new here, please subscribe. Turn on your notification bell thing. I don't remember when because I go so long. But you know the bell? You put it on all. And share my video. Like it. Comment twice. Comment 3 times. Comment 4 times.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
So I'm going to prank Jason and tell him to me I leave. Because I don't know how I'm going to react. Because I never tell him to me I leave yet. But I'm going to tell him to me I leave. I hope him ask like get my head together for what. Because at that time I'm going to get juicy and go down unite. And tell him some things that go trigger him off. Or piss him off. So I'm going to tell him say I'm not happy. I'm frustrated and I can't bother with him. I'm going to just tell him a bag of things. I'm going to tell him a bag of things to make him get annoyed. Because I want to prank epic. I want to do and hope him ball. And if he not cry, I'm going to prank him again. But Jason, him clever. He don't make certain stuff annoy him or bother him. He not going to expect it now because he must sleep. I'm going to just act like me I do it. I'm going to make a lot of noise so him can hear what's up. And then just going at me. I can't really explain fully what am I going to do. Because, I don't know. My head will chip and me will say something else. I will tell us how this I'm going to do. And I'm going to say something else just to make him reach the level of pistosity. Because that may work for.
Where are you?
Yeah.
I can't bother with.
I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk.
So piece out of you when you come pass after me.
May I look for my stuff them. That may I do. May I look for my stuff them so I can pack in a piece.
Why you find place where we go?
Jason, may I go over my friend? Go stay for 2 weeks.
Which friend after me have that the discussion there?
Me not have it. Me don't have to have it. We don't have to have that discussion. You see my jeans pants? The one I wear yesterday. And I carry my working clothes and I leave from the go work.
So make you not stay where you what happened?
Jason, Listen, you're not get it. You're not get it. Me tired, I'm frustrated, and me don't want to have this conversation with you. Me tired, me just tired, me don't want to have the conversation with you.
Me just wait, baby.
Yeah, you wouldn't know. You wouldn't know what me do. You wouldn't know.
How you see
you ask.
How you see them?
Me touch your phone.
How much you see
No,
them?
me not touch your phone, dear. Me not touch your phone. You wouldn't. First thing you wouldn't know if me not alright. Go back on your bed, go sleep. Me soon turn off the light.
What do you mean by me wouldn't know?
Me just borrow your light for 5 minutes. So you can't go back to sleep. I make care of my working clothes.
You what kind of foolishness is that?
When I say ask me if I'm alright, oh you wouldn't know if
You
I'm
ask
alright.
every day if you're alright, babe. What do you mean by it? You're going so far. No, so you take up a look. Baby,
That's your thing? And that's your thing? You never take me serious? So, you waste it for yourself now. Me, I go,
me never take you
me
serious.
I go over my friend, me go stay for 2 weeks. Me just try
Which
to
part your friend live?
stuff.
Me
No,
not understand.
you don't need to know that. Me I go over there, me I stay for 2 weeks and me I pack up my stuff, them and him a come pick me up.
Hold on. He will come pick you up. You go tell Miss Daisy. Babe, nobody look foolish here, man. Go and go sleep. I'll turn on the light on my face, babe.
Foolish, foolish, yeah, foolish.
It's not foolishness, babe.
Yes, yeah, we see for you. Watch, look on your gussie. Look on your gussie. Me tired of you. Me tired of your foolishness.
You tired of what though? What you been not pushing the jar them? And that you gonna left me for, woman? Lord God.
Me don't care.
So that you gonna left me for?
Yes, that's exactly.
You wanna push the jar them?
That's one of the reasons.
Me not understand this, babe, your mother tell us that every man no push in jar, so we are going so far.
Yeah, my mother can't say anything for pick up for you.
I know, babe, I don't understand how we good yesterday and us all of a sudden you all. So all of a sudden your cup full and run it over. What is? Babe.
You see my working shoes?
Babe, just easy, babe.
Jason.
Babe, look at him.
Don't tell me if him already, depending where I
Look at
come
him.
out.
Babe, nobody can tell me about it.
Jason.
Look at him. Babe, just relax, calm down. Stop telling me about him. Babe, we are get up and go. This not even make no sense. All of a sudden you just want to get up and left me or something. Just so.
First thing, you wouldn't know if me alright or not because you're not there and you're not asking
So
no
babe, why me not
question.
there, babe? Why me not
I
there?
don't care. I do not care and I don't want to hear it. Save it. You already depending
so,
where I come over here.
No, okay. So, you start make money now and to me not there here.
Jesus, this have nothing to do with money.
Then what about first time when me never there here? Why me never there here? Not the same reason now?
Me no know. At this point, I really don't know.
So baby, you must
Me
know why me
no
not there.
know. Me no
Why me
know.
not there here?
Yeah, me and you talk 1 and 2 times. That's not enough. And already depending where I come over here, plus me I
Yo,
go
stop telling me about the idiot man boy him already. No matter if me start
Listen,
must be a bad with nanny.
Idiot, he much better than you. Tell you.
Yo.
Jason!
This man.
No! Make me work here last. See here?
Him already better than... No, what kind of relationship this I can take about man better than me for 3 years? Babe, just easy yourself. Babe, easy yourself. Babe, just stop your foolishness. Babe, nobody with it. Babe, it's too early, babe. It's too early. Babe, just calm down, babe. Babe, just calm down, man.
Alright, me calm.
Just calm down, man. So if you have a pack up at the man, you have a pack up with need 2 good panties in your bag.
Me not done talk. Me not done
Babe, stop
talk.
once. So I didn't hear go where. Babe, look at him.
Me not done pack. Give me my bag. I'm not lost my car because me go buy gas.
Oh, so your man have car. Oh, so babe, that me not have. Babe, Iandra, if you ever tell me say I become me not have car, me can't live with. Babe, oh gosh, babe.
Me didn't say that. Me say me tired.
But you ever say I go buy him gas and you smile?
You know reason why me can't even get sad right
Oh,
now.
for real.
No, me can't even get sad right now because Jason, I spoke to you several times.
But what?
And you did nothing.
But what?
So now when you see
What
me
you
find
speaking about?
happiness, leave me alone.
Which happiness you find? Babe, stop your foolishness, man.
You always see which happiness me find.
Stop your foolishness, babe.
No, you will see what happiness. When I see me find happiness,
But you way good to start your back man this night morning. Babe, come on, man. Babe, just sit down, man.
Yes,
Babe, sit
but
down.
that me I left you don't understand.
Babe, I can't just get up
And
on
I'm not only leaving the house, I'm leaving you. Me want it for done.
You know what?
Jason, I want it to done. Me want it done, finish, and forget about me. Forget about me. You can save the video them on your channel. Forget about
So
me.
video you think about babe?
Yes.
So, I don't understand all
Me
of us
don't
on you
think
just want
about
to live, so.
you. Me don't think about you. That's the thing. You're
So
blind. Me don't think about you. You might come pick me up and me don't want the argument behind me because me don't want you know say I say you stay in a real
I'm
life.
stay in a real life, babe.
And you don't have to worry. Him not gonna come back at your address because he's not like that. He's very mature.
So we are trying to say me no mature.
And him drive a nice car.
What's a vehicle you for?
Hey, you'll see.
What the case, go on. Go on. You could wait till me start drive, just go on.
I'm not here. No, I couldn't wait. And
Never expect that from you though.
and not only that.
How much that can you talk about vehicle?
Hello, that's not it alone. That's not it alone.
So we don't start drive vehicle.
No, and not it alone. I don't know about a vehicle.
Go on, not talk, not talk to me, go on.
Well, yeah, me go. And I like me never did go. Me go on his place, me and stay.
Yeah, rent me a pay. Probably my in house. You go best.
And I don't know if rubbing in your face, yes, him having us because him invest in it.
Yeah. So me not invest. A dolly house me
never see you invest.
No, a dolly house me
never see you invest. You save your money, put your money to good use then. Since I already have it safe, put it to good use. Him take risk, you're not willing to take none.
How can I risk me not take, babe? You know, right now, I never feel certain in my life to blow. Listen, you got to talk about cars. So baby, you don't know, say, why? I don't understand. I'm on the brink of certain things in my life and you got to tell me say I go walk out now. Because I don't have one car, babe.
Well, at least I played my role. I played my role and...
What kind of role you see I played?
I did... Jason, I did enough. I did enough.
For what? So you told me to do enough
I did enough. Yes, both of us did enough. Jason, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, you did it for me. Yeah, you did it for me. But what about him? Him did it for me too.
So about him, when man find time to go in a relationship or want yo, woman just go on here, man.
So now that me gonna do?
Come out, man. I'm going to tell me about a man. What about him? You know, anytime you see your woman start act away, a man, they might pretty. I know nothing else. Go on. No understand this about you, man, my drive. So you come back here for you know, sit down the way for him. You don't live here. You don't live here.
Excuse?
You don't friggin' live
Me
here.
can come here anytime I want.
Jason,
Jason,
let me
me
tell
can come
you
here.
listen about me. Because I look like some laugh up here with too much. You see, anytime I'm serious, baby serious. Don't come tell me boy you can't come here anytime. Here, go on boy your
Me
business.
not care where you want to blah blah blah.
Yeah, man.
I mean, yes, I sit down and wait for him.
You know, go on.
And a long time we try to build a relationship. When you neglect me, a long time we try to build our relationship. I encourage him for buying a vehicle. I encourage him for investing in a house. I encourage him and he listen to me. He care about me and he care how me feel. Plus, anytime I ask for food, I always get it.
Right.
I have to wait for 2-3 hours to get my food.
Why am I left wait for 2-3 hours for you to get your food? Because I left from where town, woman, and you know I left from where
I
town.
don't know where you left from. At this point, I don't know where you're leaving from. I know exactly where he might leave from. I know exactly where he wants to be. He wants to be in my life and he wants you out.
It doesn't make no sense.
It makes sense.
It doesn't make no sense.
It makes a lot of sense.
All of me just wake up. I think, yo, God need to turn on the light good in the morning to blow you up and tell me about you want to get up and go.
Yes,
For what?
yes, you give me everything what I want. May God bless you. I don't care. God bless you with one nice woman.
The woman you afraid about?
I'm not afraid about nobody. I'm afraid about my
I'm not
man.
about this
I'm
relationship.
afraid about my me afraid about my new man. That me afraid about. My new man. And him thick and him nice.
Oh, so I know, man. I chew me skinny. I should have been see this a come long time. Chew me alright. Don't worry yourself. Somebody will sorry for me, you know. Just like how you did sorry for me.
And him brown and short and good looking. And
You know what I'm gonna complain a color game with me. So I don't want to hear about you. Just go on.
Me don't matter. Me love your color. You did that.
Okay,
You did that my type. Me upgrade.
You know what? Just stop talking to me. Stop talking to me.
I don't care. I can't stop talking to you. I been stop talking to you.
And this girl, yeah, good, you go get up and tell me say you cut all of us. Where you cut go? Cut for what?
Exactly, that is me. And I'm going to hear me complain. I'm going to just get up and cut you off. Cut you off completely.
So you live your life?
Yeah, so I want to live my life too.
Yeah, this don't make no sense. I don't know how you get up and where you cut.
And other than that, we're going to beach. I'm going to bride him.
You need a Razablade.
No!
Make your man call in my face and let people go in. Make your man call in.
No, you're hurt. You're hurt. You never know somebody did hurt. You never did know somebody did hurt. No, me not hurt again. Me not care what you want though. And I can't wait for just to go all over him. Things where you will never appreciate. Ride him. You can't go tell my mother, you can't tell anybody, because when my mother call me, I not go pick up and I not pick up from you either. And I not pick up from nobody. I don't want nobody call my phone, I don't want nobody do just give me some alone time with my new man. Simple as that.
Alone time you want? Alright.
And I know say you talk about, I never expect this from you, I never expect the unexpected, because certain stuff me never expect from you.
My friend always tell me, so you don't have to tell me if you expect no. No, my earth, your mind done fix already, go on.
Okay.
Yeah, man takes so long for reach.
Don't worry about him.
You can't find the location.
Don't worry about him. Him been at our location because he come here several times.
Yeah, that's why.
On your side of the bed.
Him have to come here several times because when they out on the road I take long for forwarding because I just don't work. That's why I go stay. What me I go do? What me I go do? You know, go on, babe. That's how I go. I can't, of all the things where I go say, babe, I can't believe you can lift me from my man with a job just because I'm in a job.
I never say me lift you from my
job. At that.
Stop shout after me.
Yo.
Don't
make this be the first time, here.
Don't shout after me.
Don't make this be the first time.
Don't shout after me.
Friends, what you do?
So you're gonna fight me through me and break up?
So what you push me down for?
So you really put your hand for me?
What you push me down for?
You really put your hand
what you
for
push
me?
me for?
No, you really put your hand for me.
Don't make this be the first time.
No, you really put your hand
what
for me.
you push me down for?
You really put your hand for me.
You go and do your business.
Shane would never. Yes, Shane. He would never. He would never.
No, what you know?
He would never. Shane would never. Put on my back. Shane would never.
Excuse me.
Shane would never. Shane would never.
Put on the piece of body. Yo.
Whoa.
This year,
After everything we invest together.
see it. Shane would never. This year, this man, you know.
Me now come back to you.
You know, go on,
me now come back to you.
You know, don't say Shane would never.
I'm not get them up either. I'm going to make him come and say, I saw you really over here and treat me.
Right here. Expect the unexpected.
See, if you're hurt. When me did hurt, me never behave so.
No count more when you did hurt.
And you push me. You push me.
No,
I never know if you did have
that woman do all the while.
Anyway, don't push me. Don't push me. Done.
So what?
I don't want you back. It's
so
done.
One.
Forget about me. Forget about
me.
me.
You've already forgotten.
Don't say that. Don't say that to me because you can't forget about me. Don't say that.
You see, God see, I know I don't want to catch in a certain predicament in my life and a girl and just push me. Just go on about your business. Woman, move now.
That's why you see, that's why sometimes women fi take time out and look who they really got to talk to, because I meet him for about 2 years now and he never do them stuff here. He just want to get rid of you, he just want you out of our life. Come out of our life now. Why you not come out of this house and make we stay in here?
Razablade help on and talk about make me not come out of life.
No.
Yeah, Razablade.
Make you not come out of this house here.
Razablade talk to you. No
come out of the house here, make me and Shane stay here. Make me and Shane stay here. Plus him already comfortable in a year's spot.
I'm staying at the empty bed.
He already comfortable.
I'm staying at the empty bed.
Me and him, I'm gonna stay here.
Oh, must empty bed, with him bed alone, cause you and she don't go sleep on, you know.
No, this a bed, yeah?
Better go start on that. No, you can't keep your bed, you know.
By the way, look how you lay down comfortably in the me and him done ride out this. Ride out this a bed, yeah. This a bed, yeah? We tired for popping down.
Not to be revengeful, but you don't know where you lie down on here.
Don't say that.
No, ease up for me, man.
Don't ever say that. You know what you're not doing nothing.
No, I don't do nothing. So yeah. Oh man, stop touch me.
Alright, sorry. I'm prank.
No,
babe, I'm prank.
Move first. Move from here, so. You hear me? Move first.
I'm prank.
Stop.
A joke is a prank. I'm prank. Babe, I want prank.
No, it's up.
I want prank.
Yo.
Me tell you, me come back.
Too much, man. I did yo. Go on to Shane.
Feel hurt, guys. I feel hurt doing that. But me did have to say.
You see me now want prank you? You see me now? Right.
Your girl, him did I get emotional and start crying and me couldn't look in his face. Him eyes they look watery. Alright guys. So like the video, share to your friends. Me never there for so long, I don't remember what to say. But like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel because Iandra just make Jesus reach level of pistacity. Alright. Babe, honestly though, in we seat, I was working for that. Babe, I'm not supposed to take up them, you know. I think about my belongings in our matrimonial house. Brush up your teeth, yeah, my baby. I gotta get something nice to eat.
Well, nothing to eat.
You know what a breakfast?
Shane, bring food for me.